Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to unprotect a sheet. So we have this sheet 1 and as example I will create 4 simple tables. Can type text in the row and columns like this. And if you want to protect, you can go to review menu, click on protect sheet. Okay, we'll add more option, delete columns and delete rows. You can set the passport, press enter, and then retap against the passport. Click OK. Now, if you want to delete these tables, right click, and there are no option to use the delete tools. So if you want to unprotect, you can go back into review tabs and then you can click unprotect sheet. After it, you need to set for the passport. Okay, I will set in it. Click OK. Now you can available to delete the tables or editing your document. Okay, that's it for a basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to unprotect a sheet. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.